Hey guys, welcome to Avni's Magic Land. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make slime with my slime set. So let's begin. The slime will be like this after you make it. It's very fun to play with. So first to make it, we need 50 ml warm water. As you can see in the picture, it says 2 times. That means you have to put 50 ml plus 50 ml water. That is 100 ml water. And we have to microwave it and keep it warm. I already have my activator, so I'm not gonna get 50 ml water plus 50 ml water. And after you put 50 ml plus 50 ml water in a cup or anything, you have to add activator powder. If you don't have activator powder, you can just go to the shops and get an activator bottle. So then it says mix it, add 1 spatula scoop of the borax powder and mix it for 3 minutes very fast, and then you will have your activator borax solution. So then we need 10 ml slime glue. This glue can be available in any stationery shop. It's a heavy gum and we can also use it to make slime. So I'm gonna get 10 ml slime glue. So I have here 10 ml glue. Now we're gonna add 20 ml water to the glue. So I have here 20 ml water. Now I'm gonna add it to it. So done. Now we have to mix it together for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna mix it. Meet you after mixing. So hello guys. So I mixed it all up. So now we're gonna keep it untouched for 30 minutes. So guys, meet you after 30 minutes. So guys, I put it for 30 minutes. Now we have to add 8 ml borax solution. So let's add it. So meet you after adding the borax solution. So guys, I'm done adding the borax solution. So now we have to mix it. So guys, I'm done mixing it. So now we're gonna take it out. So guys, I took it out. Let us see how it is. Wow, look at this guys, it's so cool. So guys, this was all for today. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and also click the bell icon. Bye guys.